the not knowing was actually what was thrilling about making the film, you know, is to turn up to work each day and having no idea what you're going to do that day. I had to trust my instinct, you know. I didn't have time to do anything else. But after a while, you know, they say that a director is a person who presides over accidents, and that was really true in this movie. But because there's a certain focus, you know, to it, in the fact that Nick's life revolves around a central loss at the moment, you know, that these accidents or these random things communicate with each other. They have a similar theme, you know, and I guess I had a certain confidence that that I would be able to assemble them into some kind of sense at the end. By making art, you can avoid feeling. You know what I mean? Like, you can take your feeling and you can create a story about it, and you can kind of contain it and you can put it over there, you know, and you can sidestep a feeling. I think in this case, for him, that has been impossible. You know, there's no way to sidestep what's going on. Well, for that very reason that you just said, you know, basically 3D it's an experience, you know. It wraps itself around you, you know, and but the black and white provides a certain elegance and a certain distance as well. And I just felt like the two things would go together. I could use it to create a sense of intimacy, as opposed to a spectacle, you know.